I'm Dennis Budde, service technician for Birkey's Farm Store in Urbana, Illinois. We do CMIs for our customers to help reduce downtime and cost of repairs. On an inspection, a lot of times, like with the hydraulic system on a backhoe, there are lots of lines and hoses that are in places you can't see. When we do an inspection, we inspect these hoses and lines for possible damage or wear. The cost of a downtime for a blown hose may not seem like much, but when you have 3 guys standing there on the job site and 2 trucks waiting, that cost can get expensive. So this will save you lots of money and cost of downtime. One of the things we do on inspections is we inspect your powertrain. We look at the seals and items such as that on your drivetrain, your transmission, and your planetaries. We'll take a planetary for example. There's 3 seals there that could leak easily. They get in water, they get down in the water, they get down in the mud, they get wire wrapped around them and take these seals out, causing you to lose planetary oil. There's only about a quart of oil in a planetary, so once you lose that, you may not see it even in your daily operation. Once that quart of oil is gone, you can wipe out a planetary. When we do a service on the engine or a CMI on the engines, we look at all the hoses and lines. We look at the turbos and look for oil leaks. One of the things we also do is check your water separator to see if there's water in the system, because injection systems, the new injection systems are very delicate and water ingress will cause major expense. Also on the inspection, we check your cooling systems. A lot of times you won't notice, but your fan belt could be broke. Most of these backhoes and everything are running in very dusty, dirty conditions. The radiator gets plugged easily and can cause severe engine problems. Also on a CMI inspection, we check your steering and brakes. We check their operation. We look for leaks, hoses damaged. The brake systems, we check the operation and make sure they're properly adjusted. On the CMI, we change all the fluids and filters except for the coolant. We do test the coolant for possible problems. When the CMI is completed, you make the choice on what you want to repair and what you want to keep an eye on. Call your local Birkeys to learn more or schedule an appointment for your CMI inspection.